Hi, I'm Mohit Berry, Business Development Manager for Smart Meters and Smart Grid Products at Infineon Technologies. This video is about flow meters and Infineon UMF product series specifically designed for flow meter applications. Akin to electric grid, flow system infrastructure tends to be old and built in patchwork. As an example, let's take the case of water system. The non-revenue water, namely leakage and water theft, is a huge issue across the planet. Conservation and optimal usage of such scarce resources has been a top political agenda. Additionally, the flow meters, mainly battery-driven, are required to operate for a longer lifetime, basically 20 years. Incorporating these market requirements, Infineon's flow meter IC is designed with specific target to gas, water, and heat metering. UMF 51X0 series has a dedicated flow metrology interface in a low power island which allows counting of flow independent of the CPU, hence maintaining the lowest power consumption for a battery driven device. Allow me to explain. In a typical scenario, to sense the rotation of the wheel, the CPU needs to be turned on every 70 or 80 milliseconds for a short period of time, approximately 150 microseconds. As the CPU is turned on frequently for a very short time, active power basically increases. In the case of Infineon solution, the tasks related to sensing and integrating the wheel's rotation are performed by a dedicated, fully programmable, embedded flow peripheral which is active in the sleep mode. The CPU then can sleep for about 20 to 30 seconds as opposite to 40 milliseconds and then wake up to perform some computation or any bookkeeping activities. This basically facilitates substantial reduction in the total power budget of the device. Looking at a typical application scenario of flow meters, Infineon's single platform approach consists of a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M0 microcontroller with a 16 kilobyte RAM with two different integrated flash possibilities, 128 kilobyte and 256 kilobyte. It's a high endurance flash with a very fast write time of 1 milliseconds, 20 years of retention rate capability, and qualified for wide temperature ranges. It's worth mentioning that there is a provision to use flash in a EEPROM emulation mode, which substitutes an external EEPROM, thus reducing the system BOM. Dedicated flow metering peripheral, which is active in sleep mode, ensures the lowest power consumption and hence longer operation of meters in field. Low power, high precision RTC is also provided with a temperature compensation and fulfilling accuracy of plus minus half second per day. Embedded temperature sensor with accuracy of plus minus 1 degree is also embedded in the system. Advanced power management unit is configurable at different power modes which adapts to product requirements across different geographic conditions. Embedded LCD driver and with the range of peripherals is also provided. It's worth mentioning here that the LCD driver supports directly chip on glass, whereby the LCD can be kept on while the CPU is in sleep mode. And for the controlling of the flow, we have an integrated valve driver. For the security aspect, it entails an integrated cryptography engine, and leveraging our know-how from our expertise in security, Infineon has incorporated a special privilege mode which facilitates protection of the critical processes like legal metrology and ensures the separation from the application software which is typically vulnerable to tampering. A ready-to-use evaluation board allows the customer to assess the performance of the system in real time, where the corresponding sensors are connected to the inputs and the measurement values can be read directly through the LCD display. So, Infineon offers a low-cost, low-power, fully integrated flow metering platform with advanced security which facilitates downsizing of the system BOM cost, lean production cycles, facilitates our customers to bring products faster to the market, and the earlier discussed flow metering peripheral ensures the lowest power consumption and provides longer operation of meters in field and thereby extending the return on investment. For more details, please contact Infineon Regional Sales Team or your preferred distributor and we will be happy to support you. For our web presence, please visit infineon.com/smartmeter. Thank you for your attention.